August is all about our favorite bucket list travel destinations. That's right, we thought and we've dreamed about all the places we want to go in our lifetime. But have you considered how are you going to pack to get there? Stay tuned for the top 3 packing tips for bucket list destinations. Hi, y'all. I'm Jennifer, owner of Canopy of Stars Travel, a boutique agency specializing in connecting you and the ones you love to this amazing world around us, all with a touch of luxury. Today, we're going to be talking all about bucket list travel destinations. But before we do, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you know when we release new information. And if this is your first time here, please say hi in the comments. I would love to welcome you to our community. Here are the top 3 bucket list travel destination packing tips. First, you need to think about your luggage. If you'll be traveling to a remote destination, most likely you'll be taking a smaller plane than normal. These smaller planes often require lighter luggage. That means fewer items that you can pack and a different style of luggage. Most of the time, they will have to be soft-sided and they won't be able to have an internal frame. So definitely check your luggage before you go. Second, you'll need to pack light. And if you're like me, it's always the shoes that puts me over. So at Canopy of Stars, we recommend you pack only 2 or maybe 3 pairs of shoes. And by pack, we actually mean you're wearing one of them. We recommend that you wear your heaviest pair of shoes and pack the other 1 or maybe 2. Now, 2 of the 3 need to be very comfortable because you're going to be walking a lot. There may be days when you walk 40,000 steps or more and you're going to want your feet to be comfortable the whole time. You'll also want to make sure that 2 of the 3 are appropriate for your destination. Now, if you decide to go ahead and pack that 3rd pair because maybe it is a special event or there's an occasion that you're celebrating, try to make sure they're lightweight. Your 3rd tip is to plan on doing laundry while you travel. That's right, even in the most remote destinations, you can still do laundry. You can accomplish this by packing lightweight, quick, dry clothing. That's right, quick dry. Maybe on a trip, you're only bringing 3 shirts, maybe 2 long sleeve and 1 short sleeve, and you'll be able to rotate them through by washing them in the evening, hanging them up to dry, and then they'll be ready to go the next day. So I'm curious, when you overpack, what is it that you pack too much of? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to know. And if this has inspired you to travel, to see those bucket list destinations, we would love to help. You can schedule a complimentary consultation by following the link below. Until then, I wish you well. I wish you safe and happy travels. And I can't wait to see you under a canopy of stars.